Alright guys, today, I'm just gonna get right into it, but, today we're installing a CB radio. This was in one of the tractors, and we took it out because we didn't need it in the tractor, and I want a CB in my truck, so we're gonna do that, and, yeah, and then I ordered a speaker for it, so you can be like, breaker, breaker, 1, 2, 3, and then you could hear me outside of the truck. So, we're gonna do that later, because I ordered it. But right now, we're going to install the good old CB. So, I drew some Sharpie marks because I'm going to put the bracket on first because I can't get back there. But, hopefully I don't wreck anything. Hopefully everything goes well. And I'll tell you when I got the bracket in, I guess. See ya. I don't know if you can see that, but I drilled some small holes. And now I hooked up a screw to that. It did come with, like, normal things, like a nut and bolt and washers and everything, but I'm going to use a screw, because, like I said, I can't get under there. So, hopefully this works. This is my custom job, and I got a washer for it that I'm going to put right there, just so we don't mess up. Here we go. I'm a little worried to mess up, but I have a good feeling this is going to work. So the bracket is on. I'm so happy this worked. It's pretty, I mean, it's about as good as you can get. I mean, it's a little shaky, but for not using, like, bolts or anything, that's a pretty good job, I would say. So, let's put the radio on, yeah, here we go. Okay, so I still have to put the cords in and everything, but I was just doing this so I knew what it looked like, and, that looks badass. I love it already. This is awesome. I was thinking about putting it up here, but then I was just like, you know what, that's probably not a good idea. So we did it. We got the CB in. So I'm actually going to take that off, put the cords in, and then we got a CB radio. It's going to be awesome. Alright, it's finished. Look at that. So I had to move this little thing that, you know, hooks up to that, because it would hit the top of this. So, yeah. And now it's kind of touching this. It's kind of a bad spot. That's why I kind of wanted to do it up here. Just because I knew it was going to hit this. And my cigarette lighter's in there. So I have to, that's where I plug it in. So I have to have it open. And yeah, it's kind of in a tough place. Because this truck doesn't have, like, space for a CB, I guess. But, yeah, I mean, I don't really know how to work it or anything. But this is off. This is on. Blah, 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 blah. And that turns down the static. I don't know what that means. Anybody that knows anything about CBs, tell me. This is like PA, so when I get a PA system, which is the speaker I was talking about, that's what I'll be like, breaker, breaker, and then you can hear it outside of the truck. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not going to try and talk to any truckers right now, because I've seen the iCarly episode. I don't really feel like getting attacked. I don't know what MB or BRT mean, but if you click off channel 9, which is, like, I guess my channel, I don't know, and then you can, like, switch through channels, and then talk to people. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, that switches through channels. And then I'm going to turn that off. So yeah, that's, I mean, I love CBs. They look cool. And they're useful because we have little, like, walkie-talkies in the tractor. And we talk to each other with those, and those are our radios. And this is what we used to have, but we don't have those anymore. So that's why I took that one. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Well, actually, not thanks for watching, because I got to show you the speaker when I get it in the mail soon. So I'll see you when I get my speaker. But we got the CB installed. That's the best part. There we go. Done. Done for now. Hey guys, so I plugged in a normal speaker just to see if the PA thing even worked. And we'll just say, hello. Wait, what the fuck? Blah, 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 blah. Did it unplug or something? Yeah, it did. Hold on. I promise you guys it works. I got it on, alright. Hello? Oh, shit. Did my speaker die? My speaker might have died. Hello, hello, hello. Fuck, it did. It died. Right when I was going to show you. Guys, just believe me, it worked. And we got to figure out how to work this thing. Because it's an aux cord that plugs into the CB. And that doesn't have an aux. So we might have to be cutting some wires. So, but it will work. We got this. While, but we finally got it up there. So now it's sitting right here, right where my bed starts, and then it goes right here. We hooked it up to an old thing that used to hold my running board and whatever that is right there. And yeah, that's pretty much where it's gonna be hooked up. It's zip tied so we don't lose it. It couldn't fit in the engine bay or right there. I was kind of planning on it first, but then I knew we were gonna get muddy and rocks in there and stuff like that. So we decided to put it right here on the bedside, and it would echo through here is what I'm kind of thinking. But yeah, now we got to wire it, and I don't really know how to do that, so I'm going to ask my dad to help me. And I know I haven't been recording as much because I kind of forgot to record, but it's taken a while, so that's why. This is going to be a short video, but it's going to be a fun one because I can't wait until I hear that thing start talking. So I ran the antenna thing through the carpet and everything, and we have a little hole down there. And then it comes up to here. It's not a very big antenna. I know I need a bigger one, but for now that's gonna work. And now we got to get wire and for the speaker and the CB, and it's gonna be 20 feet long. So we just got the ground, and now we're gonna get the other one. So here we go. Alright guys, so it's now dark, and we got the aux cord in the CB, and we connected them as best as we could. Hopefully it will work. I'm a little nervous. And then we ran it through the hole that I was talking about that led to my antenna. And then it goes down here to the speaker thing, and I connected the wires. And hopefully everything works. I crimped them and everything. I know I haven't been recording a lot, but I don't really know how to record this because it's just been kind of a little bit of a disaster because I don't know, but this speaker is really nice, but it doesn't really go with my CB, but that is probably because my CB is really old. But we're going to try it out here. Here we go. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Bruh, 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 bruh. Well, it looks like it didn't work, so I guess I'll, well, am I plugged in everything? Yep. Nope. It didn't work. So I'll have to probably order a different speaker. I kind of thought this. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, not working. Alright. I guess I'll order a different speaker. Alright, so I've gotten a new speaker that actually works in the CB. The other one was a little too badass for my old style CB. So now I just have the normal aux cord. So it's not as crazy loud as it was gonna probably, the other one was gonna probably be. But it still is pretty loud, so I'm gonna go and hook it up. Here we go. Here it is. That's what it looks like under the truck. You can't even see it unless you bend down. Oh, you can't even see it when you bend down. That's perfect. Oh, it looks so good. And it leads up into there. I might have to get an extension cord for it because it's not very long, but see, that's about as far as it goes. And that's going to be a little annoying under my seat, but I have an extension for that, so I can probably make it work. But I will show you guys how loud it is. It's not too crazy or anything, but it's decent. All right. Okay. I'm balancing my camera right now, and it's gonna fall. Okay. Hopefully it works. All right, here we go.
Hello? Oh my God, it's so loud!
Okay. Well, right now I'm working, so we'll test it later. But right now, just first try, sounds amazing. It's so loud for like a $20 little crappy speaker. So yeah, if it ever breaks, I won't be too sad. All right, so I just took a stroll, good drive around with it, and looks like nothing got destroyed. That's good. That's a good sign. And I think I have an extension for it at home, so this is kind of, rigged up right now. The cord is hanging down and everything. So hopefully I get home without breaking anything. So, I guess I'll set up my camera and we'll test it for real this time. I know this isn't the best angle in the world, but it's gonna have to work. All you guys are hearing, so it's not like I have to get a good look at the truck. So.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, pussy, 1, 2, 3, pussy. Looks like it's working real nice. Holy shit, that actually sounds really good for being a $20 speaker. Hello? Okay, so, hello? Oh my god, stop! So yeah, it's pretty cool. Holy shit. Like, I can hear myself talk, which is the problem, and that makes it sound kind of like it's not that loud. But it sounds pretty loud for, like, holy moly. God, it sounds so good. For a $20 speaker, this sounds phenomenal. What's up? Oh my god, this sounds so dope. I'm gonna prank my friends with this. This is gonna be so fucking awesome. This is awesome. I fucking love this. Well guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, leave a like and subscribe for more vlogs just like this one. Peace.